Welcome to Automotive Royalty. What I'm about to show you costs more than most people's houses and redefines what transportation actually means. The 2020 75 Rolls-Royce Phantom isn't just a car, it's a rolling palace that makes billionaires feel like they deserve even more money. This machine doesn't just transport you, it elevates your entire existence to a level most humans will never experience. Every single detail of this Phantom screams exclusivity. The Spirit of Ecstasy hood ornament now retracts electronically and features LED illumination that announces your arrival before you even step out. Those coach doors open to reveal an interior that makes five-star hotels look ordinary. The Starlight headliner contains over 1,600 individual fiber optic lights that create your personal constellation above. Sitting inside feels like commanding the universe from your private throne room. The silence inside this cabin is supernatural. Rolls-Royce engineers have created acoustic perfection that makes libraries seem noisy. Road noise simply doesn't exist. Wind noise is a myth. Even your own breathing sounds muffled by the incredible sound-deadening technology. This isn't just quiet, it's tomb-like serenity that allows you to hear your own thoughts with crystal clarity. Power comes from a 6.8-liter twin-turbo V12 that generates 563 horsepower. But horsepower numbers mean nothing here. This engine delivers effortless propulsion that feels like floating on air. Acceleration happens without drama, without noise, without any indication that physics are being bent to your will. The 8-speed transmission shifts so smoothly that gear changes become completely invisible. You simply think about moving forward, and the Phantom responds telepathically. The rear passenger experience transforms travel into pure luxury theater. Individual reclining seats feature massage functions and climate control that maintains your perfect temperature independently. The partition window raises at the touch of a button, creating your private sanctuary. Twin 12-inch displays emerge from the seat backs while champagne flutes wait in their crystal holders. This isn't transportation, it's mobile luxury living. Customization reaches artistic levels. The gallery dashboard can display commissioned artwork worth more than most cars. Bespoke leather comes from bulls that live stress-free lives in specific climates. Wood veneers are matched grain by grain to create perfect symmetry. Your Phantom becomes a rolling autobiography written in the world's finest materials. At $460,000 starting price, the Phantom occupies rarefied air where normal car comparisons become meaningless. This represents the absolute pinnacle of automotive achievement, where engineering excellence meets artistic vision. The 2025 Rolls-Royce Phantom doesn't compete with other cars because nothing else operates at this stratospheric level of luxury and refinement. Subscribe now for more exclusive looks at vehicles that